In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to URL redirect in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send visitors from one link to another inside your account, which is really helpful when you're updating pages, running promotions, or cleaning up broken links. First, log into your Go High Level account and navigate to the location where you want to set up the redirect. Once you're in the correct location, look at the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where most of the foundational configuration lives, including domains and redirects. Inside the Settings area, look for the section called Domains and URL Redirects. Click on that. This page is dedicated to managing the domains connected to your account and controlling where certain URLs should send your traffic. If you manage multiple domains or subdomains in Go High Level, this is where they will all be listed. Next, you'll see a tab or option labeled URL Redirects. Click on URL Redirects to open the specific area where you can create and manage your redirects. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. You're about to add your first redirect rule. Now look for a button that says Add a Redirect and click on it. This opens a form where you'll define exactly how the redirect should work. Think of this as the rule that tells Go High Level, when someone goes here, send them over there instead. In the form, you'll need to fill in the details. Usually this includes the original path or URL that people might visit and the destination URL where you want them to end up. Make sure you type these carefully. A good tip is to copy and paste the URLs from your browser to avoid typos. You may also be able to choose the domain if you have more than one connected and select the type of redirect, such as a permanent redirect. A permanent redirect is typically best when you know this change isn't temporary. Once you have entered all the details and double-checked that the source and destination are correct, click on Add Redirect to save it. After saving, your new redirect should appear in the list of redirects. It's a good idea to open a new browser tab and test the original URL to confirm that it sends you to the new destination. And that's it. You've successfully created a URL redirect in Go